Hi, I'm Scott Kuboff, a personal injury attorney with the law firm of Ibold & O'Brien. I help my clients receive fair and just compensation for their injuries. If you're like most of my clients, you have never been involved in a lawsuit. These videos are designed to help you better understand each step of the way. After a complaint is filed and served upon a defendant, he or she has 28 days to file what's called an answer. An answer is nothing more than a pleading that sets forth admissions or denials as to each allegation set forth in a complaint. It's not uncommon for a defendant to be without sufficient information to admit or deny, and therefore they would simply deny the allegation. It's also not uncommon for a defendant to admit part of an allegation and deny the balance of it. In addition to admissions and denials, an answer will contain a section called affirmative defenses. Now, Civil Rule 8 sets forth common affirmative defenses that have to be raised in an answer, but certainly it's not an exclusive list. Common affirmative defenses that we see in personal injury claims are a statute of limitations, a failure to state a claim upon which relief can be granted. If it's a medical or dental negligence claim, if the plaintiff failed to attach an affidavit of merit, and also if there's any type of comparative fault on the part of the plaintiff or another party. Which brings me to my next point. Sometimes you will see counterclaims raised in an answer. And a counterclaim is nothing more than a claim the defendant has against the plaintiff. In addition, there are cross claims. And that would be a scenario if there's more than one defendant. A cross claim would be a claim that one defendant has against another defendant. And then there's third-party complaints that may be filed, and that would be a claim that the defendant has against a party who has not been named in a lawsuit. So those can arise in an answer, but usually in terms of the personal injury claims that we handle, it's usually a complaint and an answer. If you have a question, by all means, feel free to reach out. My email is scott@iboldobrien.com. You can also call me, 440-285-3511.